We're at In Orbit today with
Kritika.
Kritika. Very nice to meet you. So Kritika, what do you do? What do you do for work?
I'm basically assistant director,
Assistant director for.
TV series.
Oh, good for you. Which one is that?
It's like
Oh, if you can't tell
TV
on
industry,
camera, that's
yeah.
fine. That's cool. That's cool. We can move on. What's your relationship status?
single.
You're single? Okay. Have you used dating apps?
Earlier,
Which ones?
Tinder, but in college days.
How long back was that?
It was like 6 years ago.
Okay. What's been your experience with Tinder or any other app that you used?
It was good because I just swiped one guy and I found him. He's like his was good and I'm still in touch with him.
Okay. Okay. So did you hang out with him? Did you?
Yeah,
Okay. So you're dated for a little while. Got it. Got it. Have you used any other dating apps?
not yet. I
No?
didn't find any.
Any good
but-
ones?
No, not yet.
What's if you had to introduce one feature in dating apps, what would it be? Like, what is it that's missing in the existing dating apps, according to you?
Maybe we need more information because we don't know actually how the person is.
Okay. So more details about the
Yeah,
person?
exactly. The person should put more details about themselves, or so that the girl should know. Okay, this was the genuine one.
Right.
It's not just to go and hook up with.
Right. So you're looking for something more long term,
Yeah.
as compared
I
to.
mean, why not? Tinder is more of a thing where people just go for hookups. I don't think so. Dating apps should be like that.
Okay.
And it must be for someone who are looking for love.
Partners, love, like a genuine connection.
Exactly. So why not you should put more information about yourself, and why not you can just maybe some. I'm not sure about the thing, but yeah,
Yeah. Just more information and more elaborate
yeah, kind of.
detail about the person.
Kind of.
Got it. So in Mumbai, which are the best places according to you to meet someone genuine? Like,
I don't think so. You can just go around and meet people.
as in I'm sure. See, you're a beautiful girl. You go around Mumbai, people approach you. So like, where do people usually approach you if it
More in
already?
cafes, like I have been hated more by actors. So
okay.
yeah,
That's great. That's great. Do you live like close to the
yeah, quite.
Lokhandwala area where all the artists are? Okay. Pretty good. All right, last question before I let you go. How often do you make eye contact?
Very quiet. I mean, not so, because it's like if I don't just go around and just look at some guy.
Right.
It take one person with whom do you really want to just do the eye contact thing.
Right. So it's like you make eye contact with guys, but it's like
It should be hot.
okay. That's fair. I mean, of
Yeah.
course, you deserve the hottest guy in Mumbai, no doubt about that. So when you make eye contact, like, do you wish that and like you said, if he's hot, like,
Vice versa.
right,
Yeah.
of course. So would you wish that he'd approach you, like when you make eye contact? Like, is there a moment where you're like okay,
Yeah, why not? I mean,
Yeah.
if you really like someone and like first sight, then why not?
absolutely.
And there is a movie also, Love at First Sight.
Love at first sight. That's a movie.
It's a very romantic and very nice movie where two-person meet and they were in a airport.
Okay.
So, I mean, why not?
Yeah. Okay.
And I think someone should put a features like if someone has seen someone somewhere, they can
Yeah.
find out.
Exactly. Like if you see someone, like for example, you take a look around. If you think someone's attractive, then there should be a feature
Exactly.
that can connect you with them.
Maybe we can take a picture and we can put it in that app, and we can really find him.
Okay. That's amazing. You just gave us a new feature to think about. Well, those are all the things I had for
Yeah.
you, Kritika. Thank you so much. I'm Rushabh. So